Hello, this is video 4 for Chapter 2, Section 3 of Math0302 beginning algebra. What I want to do in this video is I'm going to solve the equation 4 times y plus 3 all over 3 is equal to 5y minus 7. Again, just like the last example, I don't want you to freak out when you look at this problem. There's really no difference between this and what we just done. It's just that, in fact, this one, it's actually even easier to figure out what the LCD is, because there's only one fraction in this problem, and it's right here. So because of that, the only denominator is the least common denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3, which in this case just means multiply everything by 3. Now notice that 3 divided by 3 is 1. That effectively cancels the denominator. So all I'm left with is 4 times y plus 3 is equal to 3 times 5y, which is 15y, and then negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Now I simplify both sides. Distribute the 4, combine like terms, and then solve. So distribute the 4 gives me 4y plus 12. Is equal to, the right hand side is already simplified, 15y minus 21. Then I need to get all y's on one side and the constant term on the other. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 15y from both sides. As I said, you can, well, I didn't say it here, but you can subtract 4y from both sides and get the same answer anyway. So 4 minus 15 is 15 minus 4, and that's going to give me 11. But the 15 is the negative, so we have negative 11y plus 12 is equal to negative 21. Now notice that I need to get rid of the positive 12, so I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. The 12 goes away. I'm left with negative 11y is equal to negative 21 minus 12, and that's negative 33. So negative 11y is equal to negative 33. Now again, this is the form of ax equals b, so I need to just divide by whatever's in front of y. In this case, negative 11. So y will be left on the left-hand side, and negative 33 divided by negative 11, both negatives will give me a positive, and then 33 divided by 11 is 3. And this is going to be the solution set. But we need to check this. Get a little bit more screen space here. Okay. Now to check this, I'm just going to plug in this y into the original problem here. So that's going to give me 4 times y, which is 3, plus 3, all over 3. We're hoping is 5 times 3 minus 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So it's going to give me 24 over 3 is equal to 15 minus 7. And I'm just going to do an arrow here. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Notice that 8 equals 8. That's an identity. Excellent. That means that y equals 3 is in fact our solution set.